will talk about how can you disable halftime notifications on your FotMob app. We will to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. So then it's going to take us to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on notifications here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down here and you click here on default match notifications. So it's going to show for you a list like this, and you come here to a halftime and you click in this sign or this color. The like you see color, it's gone. That's mean halftime notifications disable with us now. So then you click here on down here. So then it's going to add video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.